Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Wayflyer alternative for small businesses, based on my own experience getting capital from my e-commerce brand. Wayflyer is great for many, but if you're a small business, especially one starting out, their eligibility requirements, like high minimum monthly revenue, can be a real hurdle. I've been there, needing capital to purchase inventory or scale marketing, but not meeting the big league numbers yet. After looking into a lot of options, the best alternative I found, and one I personally use, is Clearco. Here's why Clearco stood out for my small e-commerce business. First, their focus is genuinely non-dilutive. Like Wayflyer, they offer revenue-based financing. You get funding for things like inventory and marketing, and in return, you pay back a fixed fee plus percentage of your daily sales. Crucially, they do not take any equity in your business. I wanted to maintain 100% ownership, and that was a non-negotiable for me. Second, the eligibility criteria felt more accessible. I wasn't doing massive monthly revenue when I first applied. They look at your business performance, your sales history, and ad spend to assess your eligibility. This felt fairer to a growing brand than just a high minimum revenue number. They're heavily data-driven, which meant the decision was fast and based on the actual health of my business, not just old-school credit metrics. Third, and this is a big one for small businesses, the flexibility in repayment is key. Since the repayment is a percentage of sales, if I had a slow week, the amount I paid back was smaller. This helped tremendously with cash flow management. It meant I wasn't locked into a fixed, heavy payment that could sink me during a seasonal dip. Their fee was competitive, and the transparency of knowing exactly what I owed up front, with no hidden interest, made budgeting simple. Finally, they offer a suite of analytical tools. This wasn't just money, it was smarter money. Their insights dashboard gave me a much clearer view of where my marketing spend was performing best, which helped me allocate the funded capital more effectively and grow my sales faster. For a small team, having that sophisticated data was like having an extra finance analyst on staff. If you're a small revenue-generating e-commerce business that needs flexible capital without giving up equity, Clearco is a powerful alternative to Wayflyer that you should definitely investigate. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.